Like, it's not 100% perfect, but holy heck, it's a dang side better than what it was. Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of my ultimate garage declutter and organize. I'm going to run you through the final stages of just decluttering, taking everything to charity, getting rid of a whole bunch of stuff, and then I'll run you through an overview of how I've organized the garage. So if you want to see how I set it up, just keep watching.
Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover. I wanna call your phone, tell you what you did wrong, then ask you to come over. Not very good with decisions, know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't, and I complain and dismiss it. I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, 'cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? 'Cause I don't know, sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away, no. Yeah. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. Watching me when we're with our friends. There's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there. So let's take it from there. Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow?
Let's have a quick run through what is left. So behind the bikes, which are there, is some stuff that has got to go to rubbish recycling, but it's specialty rubbish and recycling. It's not stuff you can just chuck in the regular rubbish. There's a microwave, cardboard, and there is a clothes rack, which is completely trashed. You cannot tighten it because the screws have all gone, and it is just collapsing every 5 minutes. There is Freddie's old puppy gate crate thing, which I'm going to keep. And the mattress and bunks I'm not 100% decided on yet. And then behind there is just the kids Lego that is stored in those little rolling tubs. There's a plant it's toxic to dogs, so that's why I've removed it, while Freddie is a puppy and he would potentially be grabbing at it. Now, I actually had this when my last dog Wookie was alive because I didn't realize that it was toxic to dogs. But now that I know, I've pulled it away from Freddie, but potentially when he is not a super puppy anymore, he might, get past that puppy desire to grab onto things and bite it. So I'm not sure if I'm going to get rid of it, so it's just in the garage for the moment. Again, these ones are a couple more things that I'm just not 100% decided on. I'm not sure if I want to get rid of them. They're really handy, these shelves, so I think I'm just going to keep them there for now and just make sure that I don't have any project or organising, or if we move, I don't know, if we move or if we've got another project to organise, or if I rearrange the house. They're really just great handy storage, and they're even handy for, like, there's a bit of an alleyway behind that wall thing where the stairs are, under the stairs, so they could potentially go along there and just be used as storage. Yeah, we've just got an old shelving unit, and it's just holding things like my grab and go bag that I use when we go to the park or the beach or anything. It's just got a mixture of essentials, a dog water bottle, just a storage container, storage crate, and then just the soda stream things that need to be exchanged for full cylinders. Over here we've got the hat rack that I installed. This one's just from IKEA, and I've just got it on with 3M hooks, and it just got backpacks and hats and dog walking paraphernalia, a basket with yoga workout mats, and just flip-flop or, you know, old shoes that you just wear when you're either taking the rubbish bins out to the street or taking Freddie out for a little pee break. Now over here, this might look like it's still a kind of mess of things, but it's just some decor and home organization things that I'm about to use for a coming soon to a YouTube video near you. There is a container down there that has the extra turf pieces from when I did that DIY upstairs for Freddie's little pea patch. And then over here we've just got the laundry area. So we've got the washer, the dryer, just some cleaning mops and supplies, and then this ladder storage unit. This little storage shelf here just has all of the laundry supplies in it. Rubbish bin, which is an absolute essential in the garage, so that you can just chuck all the stuff that you've got in your car just straight into the bin. This is my old vacuum cleaner that is really handy because you can just use it for quick dirty cleanup. So I use it when I clean up outside, in windowsills, clean the car with it. It is just great to have, so you're not using your good vacuum cleaner to do all the gross dirty jobs. This is what I call my gardening trolley, so it's got all of the potting things and gardening accoutrements. Then there is just like a moving trolley that's tucked in behind. Super handy to have that. I use that all the time, moving things around the house. Here, this is just like a DIY tool section. I've got to do some DIYs on these because they got completely molded up from all the rain that we had recently. And these storage containers have got like bits and pieces of tool, hardware, all that kind of miscellaneous stuff that just needs to be sorted through. And then these ones here just have all of the vacuum cleaner accessories. Has all the accessories for the Bissell. So Bissell, vacuum cleaner, and then things like 3M and hooks. This one's got like shoe care stuff. This one's got painting things in it. This one's got a miscellaneous assortment of just disinfectant and random things like tea tree oil and stuff. Laundry miscellaneous bits and pieces, and this is all hardware and spare parts for furniture and things like that. And then just some hardware bits and pieces. Empty storage box, toolbox, and then a large storage container. And then in this little slide out thing, I've just got all of the kind of specialty cleaning equipment that I don't need to keep upstairs, like acetone, the stuff to apply the privacy frost, shoe cleaner, window guard, car cleaner, pet spray, WD-40, all that kind of stuff. Right, in these two big storage shelves, I've got obviously the Christmas tree up the top, Christmas ornaments in those two boxes. Then we just have a esky or cooler, chilly bin, whatever you call it, a portable camping stove. And then these boxes here, I think they were $5.95 or something ridiculously cheap from Officeworks. They're pretty sturdy. I think as long as you don't overstuff them and you don't be rough with them and throw them around. They're really sturdy, and they're doing their job of keeping all the things neat, organized, dust-free, pest-free, etc. And these just have spare home storage and organization equipment that I use all the time when I'm switching out organization and making videos. It's also got Halloween costumes, extra Christmas decor and decorations. And then this one has got like dress up in costumes and thing, and Halloween decor. Here there are some homeware things that I have got set aside for a project, and some stuff that is being rehomed to friends and people that I know. These storage containers have an assortment of different bits and pieces. They have got some memorabilia, they've got some kids' artwork projects in them that aren't able to be stored in their kind of school memorabilia file. There's Easter decorations and kind of little bits and pieces. There's some things for like the car, like for when you go on picnics and things like that. This one's got Nerf guns in it. Bits and pieces of things that you've got to keep, and you've got to find a storage space for them somewhere. So that's just the way that we've stored them. Over here, I've got this storage unit that came from Kmart. Hang on, I'm going to go get a light so we can see. All right, we'll have to ignore the background noise. There's like a daycare center really close by. There's like crows. It's peak hours, so there's traffic noise. But we're down in the garage right on street level, so that's what we're dealing with. So I have just got this storage unit that's from Kmart. It's totally adjustable. It was pretty affordable. Not my favorite, honestly. I would definitely go for something like this over something like this, which is kind of flimsy and annoying to put together. It just has like a bike carrier rack for the car. It's got Freddie's car carrier, so when he goes to the vet or anything like that, he just goes in that. Beach tent, beach cricket set, kind of beach toys, bicycle things like bicycle helmets, bicycle pumps, bicycle locks, the boys' 2 scooters, and then that is just a stacking set of containers that I got from Bunnings, which is a hardware store, and it just has all like the balls and outdoor type sporting equipment. There's things like that, balls, skateboard, skipping ropes, there's a blow up boogie board, all that kind of stuff, and then just a step ladder there. Oh, and then obviously there's all the luggage up there, so suitcases that are just stored up there. The good thing about this garage is that it doesn't really particularly get too dusty or dirty, so I'm kind of happy about that. I haven't had to really deep clean anything that's been stored down here for the past few months. There is a section in behind there. It's got empty shelves. It's got packaging of things like the modem, my camera, iPad, MacBook, iPad pencils, all that kind of stuff. And then just some empty storage containers. So overall, like, it's not 100% perfect, but holy heck, it's a dang side better than what it was. And considering the fact that we are possibly not staying here for a really long time, this is literally as good as it's going to get, and as good as I am, you know, as much as I'm prepared to spend and invest time-wise and money-wise. I'm not spending any more money on this place. But yeah. Alright guys, so that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed part 2 of this garage declutter and makeover. I'm going to change the title, I think, from Ultimate Garage Declutter and Organisation to This is as good as it's going to get, because literally this is as good as it's going to get. Nothing too ultimate, nothing too extreme. I did put a lot of work into it, but you know, it's just kind of utilizing pretty basic storage equipment. These I definitely recommend if you're in Brisbane. I bought these from Orkinflower. I'll leave the details down below. Got them on eBay. The sellers are really, really nice. They're lovely people. Really affordable. I think they were $140 odd each, but really, really good quality. These storage containers I picked up from Officeworks. They were $5.98 each. So again, really affordable. And these storage containers are also the only things that I bought specifically for the garage organisation, and they were $10 each from Kmart. I really like these. They're really, really sturdy. So this one, for example, it's just got all of the CDs and DVDs that I've been through and decluttered, and I regularly declutter them, but some of them I really just want to keep because they are sentimental and they've got super meaning attached to them. So it's just my ultimate, very, very pared down collection of CDs and DVDs that I just keep going through, and every now and then I'll like let go of another one, but that's okay. I'm happy to keep that. I don't keep much like memorabilia or sentimental stuff, but those kind of things, I'm just like, I'm happy for that amount. So in here is like just electrical cord and cables, so it's just all contained in one spot. And I just need to come through with my Dymo labeler actually and just whack a label on, because I think this one's the only one that's got labels at the moment. I just kind of remember where everything is. But yeah, I really like these. They're really nice and neat, super stackable, and these come in a range of different sizes too. So if you're looking for a really nice cheap option to do some organising projects, Definitely recommend these. $10 from Kmart. This is the biggest size. Comes in a half size and also a quarter size, and they're all modular, so they all stack within each other, which is awesome. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It's great feedback for me. It lets me know that you enjoy this type of content and for me to keep on making it. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe before you go. Hang out and watch another few organizing videos. I'll leave some in the description that I think you'll love. Have a fabulous week, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.
I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right.